sunshine.
Please.
Yeah.
Some
the rain.
Cool.
Autumn was the apple of his eye.
Afraid.
not me.
You wouldn't be able to tell it.
Or a wacky werewolf who is big and